If the opening is not large enough to accommodate the grease thief loaded into the T-handle, the regular T-handle, we can use the grease thief slim. It can go into openings as small as 8 millimeters in diameter. With the grease thief slim, we have a T-handle with the piston and a straw. A new piston and straw are loaded on each time we take the sample. And we make an offset adjustment between this foot and the tip of the straw or the piston position. That offset determines how far into the machine we will go before we start the coring process. It should be set so that the full extension of the straw finishes up right at the face of the bearing that we're sampling. And so we start by loosening the thumb screw to allow, or we can start by having this thumb screw in a tightened position to hold the straw in place until we get into this offset position. So we enter it into the machine until we hit that point, and then loosen the thumb screw, and then use this collar to push the straw forward to core the sample. Once that's in position, we can then tighten the thumb screw again, wiggle it a little bit, and remove it from that location. We wipe off the outside of the tube, get our grease thief, remove the cap, loosen the thumb screw again, pull the piston back in the grease thief, and place that right over the end of the straw. We then hold the grease thief while we pull back on the straw, and the piston forces the sample forward into the grease thief to fill it. We then put the cap on, just tight enough to secure it on the end of the grease thief, and then place that into the shipping container, to which we add the label where we fill out the information about the sample, or we put on a barcode and go to the Navigator application to enter the barcode and the identification information for the sample, including baseline grease and the application.